If your floor lamp is going to be sitting in your living room every day, it might as well look this good. I really love the high-end vintage feel of this one, and it looks much more expensive than I expected. This 61-inch floor lamp was sent over for my feedback, so let me show you what I think. Starting with the unboxing, it arrived really well packaged with everything protected. Assembly was super easy. You just screw the base pieces together, put the lampshade together. It comes rolled up, and that's it. It only takes a few minutes and no tools are needed. You will need a bulb, but any standard type will work. And once it's all put together, I really love the way this lamp looks. I love the cream white color, the linen shade. It looks a little bit vintage, farmhouse, but it still feels clean enough to work with more modern decor. And it's not just about the looks. This lamp feels very well made and sturdy. The base is nice and heavy, so it feels very solid and definitely not flimsy. The 61-inch height works really well next to a sofa or accent chair, and the linen shade gives off a nice, soft, comfortable glow. Overall, I really like the combination of the design, the solid construction, and this high-end look. And it's a really nice way to add some warmth and character to any room.